yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Not you, Valley. Valley. You think it's your birthday, Valley? It's not. Bella, happy birthday. Hi, Belly. Nothing to say? Do you feel old? That's how you feel? Valley. See, what the heck? Happy birthday. Excuse you. Bless you. Stinky booty. Hey, crazy baby. Hey, crazy baby. Oh! Yay. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Valley. Valley, are you really in there right now? Say, doggy, what are you doing? How do you feel? So today is Hakeem's birthday as well. So we're gonna wait for him to wake up so we can say happy birthday to them both. Yeah, see how the day goes. Oh, Bella's in the thing with Valley. What? What? Hey, crazy baby. Woo! Is your doggy over there? So Belly here is eating blueberries. Little thing to eat right now for breakfast. That's what happened, and then I'm gonna take a shower. Yeah, and then we'll see what Hakeem is feeling like doing. Cause it's his birthday too, 2 birthdays, and yeah, so keep you guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Bella and Keem's birthday day.
Sweet young thing, pretty young thing. So she is a young thing, a pretty young thing. Sweet gangsta, and I can never love you. She is a young thing, a pretty young thing. 19, fully independent, own whip, own silk. You know why, nigga? I was born like this. You know what I'm saying? Heroin, nigga. Don't. Oh my God. Respect you, never need.
And they were turning, like not just getting on.
Yeah, every time they know that my guns fire, and I can bet whatever this can make your heart stop. Whoever running in my picture, I went to the night. Sitting dumb and slow with my 7-3 drive. So motherfucking good and make you suckers wanna fly. But that's the best way for a sucker to catch a stone. Got to say goodbye. The power of the whole black child. The look.
See that?
Hi, Billy. Hello.
I'm going straight though. You're attracted to the street, man.
The rocks, huh? You like the rocks? She's looking at me. Belly.
I'm on the side. I don't want to go on the side now.
Bella. Come here. She's all confused. Ooh. Come on.
I got the trout.
You don't? What?
What's up?
Oh, give her some.
Yeah.
Oh. Chug, chug. Yeah, it's not even on the right
Calm down.
side. What is that shape?
Oh, that's
Does that look like her?
cheeks, bro.
No way. No way.
Let's see.
I think she hears something.
Okay.
It's a ticket for the pet tree. Right down there. Look at all the
The pancakes.
she's hungry.
They're so big.
What does a music pancake know?
You ready, Belly?
Music says
Oh my god, look how green. Hey, don't touch. As I'm sweating.
It's me and you, Malibu.
Look at that hair. Gotta get the bag.
Bella.
No! She's so cute.
That kind of baby drink my cream.
Is that good? Yes or no? Valley. Look how cute this little cupcake is for Bella. So cute. Belly! Look! Look! Look at the cupcake. She totally ignored me. Bella. Hey. Bella. Look. Wow. Belly. She wants to eat it. You're so funny. She's opening her mouth. Look at, let me take a picture of you. Gotta pay attention, girl. She's crazy. Look at it.
Okay.
so. How can we find them?
Y'all blow it out.
Well,
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Belly. Look at Belly. Happy birthday to you. You gotta blow it out.
Blow it out.
Go like this.
Go. 1.
1.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, here.
Oh, yummy. Ooh. Look at how dirty.
Here, lick the candle.